Hey guys, today's quick tip is about the Esterbrook Estie. It's got a unique feature which stems from this unique section called the MV section, which actually allows you to convert your JoWo standard writing nib that's on the Esterbrook Estie into a vintage writing Esterbrook pen. So how does it do so? Okay, I'll show you. So you would take the JoWo nib and section, you would unscrew it from the barrel, put that off to the side here. Then we're going to do is we're going to take the Esterbrook vintage nib. So these are available as a set from goldspot.com, where you could get the section plus the nib, or you could just get the section separately and then just purchase a nib, vintage Esterbrook nib on eBay. So this one is a fine stub. And you can see, if you're familiar with, let's say, Pelican or JoWo nibs, this is a nib and feed plus the housing. So the housing has screw threads on here, which thread into the MV section. And the MV section is a new piece of plastic. This section here, this housing, is an older piece of plastic. So sometimes it may be very difficult to screw in an older Esterbrook vintage writing nib because the plastic has shrunken over time or has warped over, let's say, the 50, 80 years or so. So what you'd want to do then is, sometimes if it is difficult, it doesn't thread right away, is to put like a very little bit of silicone grease, maybe just like a little touch of it around the threads that are right here, or a little bit of chapstick also has been said to work too, just to lubricate it for that first time. But what happens is then you would screw it into the section until it goes no more. And once it does get screwed in that first time, it's going to be much easier than to screw it in and out. So it kind of has to work its way through and kind of rejuvenate the plastic that's already there. So once you're screwed in and you're nice and tight, then you're going to put the section into the barrel and you're good to go. You've got a vintage Esterbrook writing nib in your modern Esterbrook Estie. Alright, so that's it guys. Thanks, take care.